itong kupunan ng FEU. Pumasok na for the first time si Richelle Bagang. Pinalitan ito si Charlemagne Simborio. So titignan natin kung maayos yung reception muna rito. Tin Agno, pati siya nangangamote. One of the best liberos in the UAAP. Yes. Here is April Jose ngayon. Running attack by Coco Wang. Ngiti na naman si Bernadette Pons. Ay, maganda pala ngiti nito si Coco Wang.
She has warmed up talaga to her teammates. And at least now, nagkakilala na sila nung setter nila.
Right. I was making a point earlier na it always helps to have your foreign player speak English.
Yes.
Laking bagay talaga nun. Another good serve, but this time a better reception from Tin Agno. Running attack, Remy Palma. Yun lang kailangan nila.
Yes.
One good reception. And now, Remy Palma ba? Ngayon ko lang nakita siya yung vocal leader. Usually, si Celsi yung naninigaw sa mga kakampi niya eh.
Giselle C is also playing her, I think, 4th year pa lang.
4th year, so may 2 years of eligibility pa siya. So after this, 1 more year pa pala.
Yes.
1 more year. Good serve there, jump serve variety coming from Bernadette Pons. And Coco Wang, hindi na itawid yung bola. So ito na lang siguro yung naasahan ng FEU. Force Meralco into very many errors para makahabol sila rin sa ating first set.
What they can do also is use or utilize na nasa harapan si April Jose.
That's right. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Another jump serve na galing sa langit para dito kay Bernadette Pons. At ayaw ni Maika mamigay ng free ball. Yan tuloy.
As we said, they're pushing Meralco to committing their own errors. Kaya ngayon, 8-point lead na lang.
Morada could have given up a free ball easily. Tapos reset na lang sila. Pero talaga sinubukan. Atake pa rin ako. So down to 8 ang kalamangan dito ng Meralco. Pons once again. Ayun, sa net na pumunta. At tatamaan pa yung kamay ni Remy Palma in the process.
I think natamaan na nga.
Oo. Well, 19-10 ang ating score. April Jose, dating malalaro ng FEU. Dating best setter din sa UAAP.
Yes.
Bagang, turn back there by Morada. Palma!
Oh.
Oy, net violation ng
Too
gigil.
much power on that tip.
Kung hihingi tayo ng power tips, hihingi tayo sa Meralco. Paano nakakatipid ng kuryente? Hihingi tayo ng power tips sa Meralco. Power tip number 1, huwag gagamit ng microwave na matagal. Kasi matakaw. Matakaw sa kuryente kaya yun. Yan naman si Palma. Nakakalmot na naman ang bola. Ikaw, ma-microwave ka, no?
Sorry.
Electric bill sa gumabaw household lumataas. Ganyan. Marami tayong power tips na isi-share sa mga audience natin mamaya. Kasi Meralco yung naglalaro eh. Jose ngayon. Coco Wang down the line.
It was a hard set, pero nagawan pa rin niya na paraan.
Oo.
Gulang na lang talaga, being 28 years old and being professional.
That's right. And being 6'3" also helps. Like Coach Shaq, he's also 6'3", pero hindi siya makalaro dito.
Siyempre.
Etong ang magandang serve na pumasok na naman. Coco Wang delayed celebration there. Kung nakita niyo pumasok yung kanyang serve. Tama yan, isang labas lang yan, Tara, punta tayong Eastwood. Ganun lang. Then we get to know you better, you get to know us better. Ngayon, she's really warmed up to her team, and that's dangerous sa mga ibang kuponan dito sa Shakey's P-League Open.
As you can see in commercial leagues like Shakey's, na hindi makombinasyon ang mga point system ng mga teams.
Right.
They're more of open, gitna, utility lang. Kasi hindi pa sila ganun ka-gel, di pa sila ganun magkakilala.
Well, I don't know about Cagayan Valley and Smart.
Yes.
Makombinasyon talaga sila. And if anybody or if any team is going to execute a lot of combination play, it should be FEU.
Yes, because they're really a team.
Oo.
And ito nga talaga ang preparation nila for UAAP.
That one goes into the net from Coco Wang. So, stay of execution muna ang nakuha rito nitong FEU kasi they are down by 11 ngayon. Remy Palma, wala pa sa harapan. That means Jerry Malabana, the high school student from the United States. From California also, actually. At namigay din ng punto. So, it is going to be 12 set points for Meralco.
I don't think FEU needs that much errors right now.
Well, marami na sila, especially pagdating sa reception problem sila. There's another one right there. Phil Cainglet with a service ace. easily done para din sa kupunan ng Meralco. Nakuha nila yung ating unang set 25-12. Hardly any effort on the part of the Power Spikers. Makikita natin dito sa ating shaky play. Dami natin pagpipilian pa sa Meralco, Michelle.
Yeah.
Pero it's Phil Cainglet delivering.
Finishing that game.
Oo. One of the hard-earned points from Phil Cainglet in that first set. We'll be right back.
Ako po si Maureen Penetrante Owano ng Meralco Power Spikers at kayo'y nanonood ng Shakey's B-League Open